Hello friends, my name is Harshit Parekh and today I am going to show you my new toy. Its name is Mechanix. And in this Mechanix, we can make a vintage car. This vintage car is a very good quality car and it is almost made up of iron, but some parts are made up of plastic. There are 353 parts in this mechanic box. This vintage car is a convertible car. We can move the roof back and make it an open car. Let's unbox this. So this is the booklet. All the detailed information is written in this, that how should we make this car. See, this is a solid plastic box and in this all the parts are given. These are very big, nice looking wheels. We got 5 wheels in this. There are some rods. See, there are so many nuts and bolts. There are 3 types of bolts. Now we have got the plastic and iron plates. And here are 4 plates. These are iron plates. Here are 3 brown plates. And here are 1 red plastic plate and 1 black plastic plate. And it is flexible. I think these are for roof adjustments. And here is the bonnet. It is the front of the car. And in this one, there are so many long strips and long with a screwdriver. Here is a red screwdriver. Here is one orange strip and some brown strips which are flexible. I think these flexible strips are for the mud guards. So here are different sizes of strips. Here are 7 hole strips and there are 5 hole strips. And these are triangle strips design. This is a square plate. And there are L-shaped strips and some D-shaped strips and 1 small brown strip, and these are 4 hole strips and there are some rods in it. And here comes our spanner and 1 small rod and 2 big rods and some rods shaped like this. And here are some more small parts. Let's open this. And this is the steering wheel. And in this one, there are some parts that join other 2 parts. And here is our booklet. In this booklet, all the detailed information is written. How we should make the car. For example, over here you can see that what you should take and where you should join the part. So with the help of this booklet, you can make the car very easily. And over here it is shown how many parts are there in this box and what are the types of the parts given in the box. This box helps to store the parts and can also be used as a display stand. We can put the car on this stand and put it anywhere and make a showpiece. And here it is. I have made this car. This car is a very beautiful car and I like it very much. This is a very smart car. It's a vintage model and it is very royal. And this is my first Mechanix experience toy. I have experienced this toy first time because I did not make any Mechanix toy before. I am 8 years old and I have made this car very easily. Initially, I took my father's help to learn how to fix nuts and bolts because I had never made an Mechanix toy before in my life. I enjoyed making this car and fixing nuts and bolts in this car. Let me show you how it moves. See, its tire moves. Let's play with it. And let me show you a special thing of this car. This car's roof can be folded and made the open car. You can also use this box as a stand. You can place this car on this platform and use some nuts and bolts to fix this, and then this becomes a beautiful showpiece. If you want to buy this Mechanix toy, so go in the description box and click the link to buy this toy. Hope you enjoyed my video. So like my video, share it to your friends, subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. Till the next video, bye bye.